Hi beautiful ladies, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugda Studios. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput from Mugda, and in this episode I'm going to show you beautiful collection of fancy sarees. So and we have got lovely collection of fancy kora, fancy jute and fancy tissue sarees. So the very first saree from fancy jute collection I have draped it. It's a beautiful navy blue color saree in matter. We have this lovely floral jal and a small cute red color border with pure gold and zari work on the borders and all over the sari. So this is a very beautiful color. So let's have a look on the mannequin saris. Here's a beautiful lighter shade of peach color sari, and this is fancy jute material. We have this lovely border with florals and cross lines, and all over the sari we have floral booties. And here's a very beautiful magenta pink color sari with pink color contrast border, and we have a beautiful border with zigzags and mangoes. And sari details చూస్తే we have floral jal, beautiful floral creepers, so which is made of golden and silver zari. So before start showing you the saris, let me quickly go through this important information. So we have mentioned contact details here, and we mentioned Google Pay numbers here. So all you have to do is just take a screenshot of your favorite sari as and when I'll be showing you the saris, and share it to us on these WhatsApp numbers for placing the order, and we will take it forward to assist you. So let me quickly start showing you the saris. So this is from Fancy Kora collection andi. It's a bottle green color sari with pink color border. It's a very pretty combination. And we have got these beautiful bobbies which is of golden zari on the complete sari. And coming to the borders, we have small borders on both the sides, cross lines and floral creepers with pure golden zari work. This is a very lightweight, comfortable sari. This is a pallu. And here's the blouse. We have got a small border here, contrast pink color blouse, plain blouse. And the prices are really affordable, Andy. So let me show you the price for this sari. So this is 3,500. Here's another beautiful pink color sari. So this is also from Fancy's Kora collection. So we have got floral jal and mata on the body of the sari, and lovely borders. We have got this blue color border. And it's a very comfortable soft material, Andy. So look at it. And this is the pallu, and a contrast blue color blouse. So this is how the blouse is. Coming to the price of this sari, this is 3,500. Here's another sari. So this is a navy blue color sari and mata, and we have got the same bobby details, so which is of pure golden zari and mata. So very beautiful sari, Andy. This is and we have a beautiful blue color border with floral creepers and cross lines, and lovely color combinations, navy blue color and light sky blue color border. And this is the pallu, and here goes the blouse. Small border వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట, golden zari work తో. Price is 3,500. So here's another sari from Banaras Kora, Fancy Kora sari. Red color sari lo meeku green color border వచ్చేయండి. And we have these beautiful booties and mata all over the body of the sari. Very comfortable sari this is. You can take a single pallu. If you want, you can even make a pleat like how I have pleated. It's a very comfortable sari, very soft material. So this is how it is, and this is the pallu. And here's the blouse. So this is a brocade green color blouse here. And the price for this sari is 3,500. It's a very lightweight sari as well. So let me show you the contact information. So these are the contact numbers where you have to share us the screenshot of your favorite sari for placing the order. And we will take it forward to assist you. Here goes another pink color sari with blue color contrast border. Such a lovely floral design. Body details చూస్తే silver zari work లో highlight చేశారు. So with these beautiful floral booties, silver zari work లో చేసిన booties. Borders are pink, so bright combinations. Jar and floral booties and cross lines. Here's the pallu. And again a blue color brocade blouse for this sari too. Price of this sari is 3,500. So another fancy Kora sari here. Such a lovely magenta pink color and butter, bright color. So sari details Tuesday, we have this lovely tree booties and mother, which is in square shape. Borders have come with beautiful drop motifs. And this side we have florals, lovely floral creepers, which is made of resham and golden zari. Here goes the pallu of the sari here. And the blouse is like this. Plain blouse with charan matter with a small border. Okay, and coming to the price of this sari, this is 3,950. Now this is a very beautiful grey color sari indeed. So this is a very beautiful fancy Kora sari. Beautiful tree booties ochai, golden zari work though, and lovely border this side and even this side. So along with mangoes. And this is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, here's the blouse. Price of this sari is 3,950. Here's a peach color sari. So golden zari work look, body mottam beautiful. Tree motifs వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. This is also a fancy Kora material andi. Fancy Kora sari. Beautiful borders. You can see silver zari work lo mango booties చేశారు, and we have got these resham work as well. And this is a very lovely border, very unique border. Very lightweight sari. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. And the prices are very affordable prices, only 3,950. Next sari. So this is in green color. So this is also a fancy Kora sari. So this is a very beautiful bottle green color sari and mata. And you can see these lovely booties. The sari is beautifully highlighted with these golden and silver zari work lo lovely booties ochai. And we have temples. We have squares and zigzags and florals on the borders. Small border. And here's the pallu. And we have a brocade blouse in matter. So this is the look of the blouse. Zigzags. Price of this saree is 3,500. So these are the contact details. So మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీస్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. As in when I'll show you the sarees and share it to us on these WhatsApp numbers for placing the order, and we will assist you further. Below mentioned numbers are the Google Pay numbers. And we are shipping internationally as well. So here's a fancy jute saree again. Fancy tissue saree. So this is a beautiful tissue collection. Very soft tissue and matter. So it's not at all hard. Very comfortable. And we have lovely borders, golden zari work too, zigzags. And all over the body of the saree you have these beautiful booties and matter. And it's a very soft tissue, and again it's not like hard. See, you can pleat చేస్తే ఎంత నీట్గా సెట్ అయిపోతుంది. So it's a very good material. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, running blouse and matter. This is the border for the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 4,500. So another fancy tissue saree. This is my favorite yellow color saree. Such a beautiful shine in the saree. Very beautiful tissue collection this is. And look at these details. We have lovely floral booties. Here's the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. Plain blouse icharu with a small border. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 4,500. Here's another beautiful saree. So this is also fancy tissue collection saree and matter. Such a beautiful green color this is. So this is a kind of unique green, and we have beautiful tree booties and matter with silver zari work. And as I have told you, this is a very comfortable tissue saree only. So let me pleat it and show you. Such a soft tissue, small border with floral creepers and cross checks. Here's the pallu of the saree. And I'm just loving the blouses. So we've got beautiful brocade blouses ready for this beautiful collection. And coming to the price of this saree, this is 4,500. Wow, here's a very beautiful pink. It's a kind of onion pink color and matter. Koncham brighter shade lo vachai. And chala beautiful shine outundi saree. And apart from that, golden zari, silver zari work lo booties icharan matter. And coming to the borders, we have this beautiful zigzags and floral booties. This is a very lovely color. Here's the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి running blouse వచ్చేయన్నమాట, plain look. This is the blouse, and we've got a small border. Price of the saree is 4,500. So here's the contact numbers. So here you have to send us the screenshot of your favorite saree on these numbers, and we will take it forward to assist you. Here goes another set of beautiful fancy collection. So this is a very beautiful fancy jute collection. You can see this is a cream color sari, and which is highlighted with beautiful floral booties with silver zari, and borders the yellow shade ochai. So we have floral creepers and floral booties here and cross lines. And here's the pallu of the sari. And the blouse ochesi, this is the blouse. Along with this beautiful border. Coming to the price, this is 3,800. So very affordable prices. So here's another sari. So this is also a fancy jute sari. This is a baby pink color sari. Lovely floral booties. You can see beautiful colors. Borders have got cross lines, and here we have got floral creepers. Here's the pallu of the sari. And the blouse is like this. And we've got a small beautiful border. Running blouse వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. Price వచ్చేసి 4,999. So these are the beautiful collections and the very elegant and bright colors లో వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. Plain colors లో కూడా వచ్చాయి. So I'm showing you fancy jute collection. So let me show you the next sari. Here goes a cream color sari, fancy jute. And this is a very soft sari, Andy. And we have this beautiful floral booties here. Cross lines. Golden zari work though. We have these beautiful floral creepers. This is the pallu. And here's the blouse. We've got a small border. Price of the sari is 4,999. So next sari. So this is a lighter shade of blue color sari and mata. Wow, look at this beautiful leaf design. So which is made of silver and golden, so alternatives. And coming to the borders, we have zigzags with pure golden zari work. And here we have got this big border, floral jal. It's a very soft material. Here's the pallu. And here's the blouse. Price of Chesi 5,250. Here's a beautiful magenta pink color sari and butter. Such a lovely color this is. And look at these details. So chinna chinna booties icharanamata, golden zari work tho. And borders dik koncham ekku grand work వచ్చాయి, which is of golden zari work again. Very beautiful sari this is. So body hugging material andi. And here's the pallu. And here's the blouse. With a small border again. And the price for this sari is 3,500. So all the beautiful ladies, do not miss out on your favorite sari. Just take a screenshot. If you want to place an order of your favorite sari, just take a screenshot and send it to us on these contact numbers, and we will assist you further. Here's another beautiful green color. So this is a different shade of, looks like a sea green color sari, and same leaf patterns ochai, which is of silver and golden zari alternatives. zigzags వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట and floral jal. Here's the pallu. And this is the blouse. The small border. Coming to the price, this is 4,999. So next is my favorite yellow color sari, fancy jute collection, and look at this lovely shine on the sari. And apart from that, we have these beautiful floral leaf booties and matter, so which is alternatively made of golden and silver zari. I'm sorry, these leaves are all of silver zari. So body details mottam meeku silver zari tone chesaranamata, and even the floral design here and zigzags are of silver zari work. So all the sarees are of pure silver zari. And this is the pallu. And here goes the blouse with the small border. And coming to the price of this sari, this is 4,999. Very reasonable prices only. Such beautiful, comfortable saris. Here goes a grey color sari, lighter shade of grey color sari. We have got floral creepers here. So golden and silver zari work to వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. Very beautiful sari this is. Zigzags and mango booties. So both the sides same border. Here goes the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు plain blouse వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. This is the blouse with the border. Price of this saree వచ్చేసి 4,999. Wow, this is a very beautiful two-shade saree. So in the middle we have yellow color and borders are magenta pink color. Details చూస్తే these are floral creepers with silver zari. Borders చూస్తే zigzags with golden zari. Borders మీకు golden zari వర్క్ ఇచ్చారన్నమాట. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 4,999. Here's the navy blue color saree. Lovely floral creepers. We have got golden and silver zari workflow. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. This is beautiful border. Price of Chesi 4,999. So I have shown you a beautiful collection of fancy kora, fancy jute sarees and I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So without missing out, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So for orders, so let me again show you the contact information. So for orders, these are the contact numbers and you need to contact us and send us the screenshot and we will assist you further. Below mentioned numbers are the Google Pay numbers for you to make the payment online. And we are also shipping internationally and we are shipping all over India. So that's all for now. This is Preeti Singh Rajput from Mukta signing off as of now. But I will soon get back to you with another collection. So till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.